GP Technology. Let's go and check them out because they make these beautiful ear. 20-minute drive from one factory to the other. Factory Shenzhen Suka Precise Mold. Up here. All right, we're going up with the camera. Okay, we're going 5 floors. Here we go. So, GP Technology. So we come to check, audit the little Bluetooth earphones. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
我很高兴见到你啊。
你好。
你叫什么名字
Joyce.
Joyce.
Hi.
This is yes.
Hi.
There, Joyce.
Hi.
我是人名片啊，谢谢。
Okay.
Yeah, so that's good. Technical room first. It's all right. They're obviously saving power. So. Oh, so this is part of the burn-in room. Yeah, this is
right. This is the camera. This is our camera.
Yeah, no, I like this.
Tiny camera.
This is good because this is what you expect in any consumer electronics. Yeah, and also they're making a full record of their testing, so that's good, important. Yeah. How many hours do the heat is okay? Oh, that's hot. Oh, it's they're hot. So, are you testing for the heat?
General testing for all kinds of.
Understand?
Data.
Yeah. But wow, they get hot, don't they? Need to know. All right. That's what I'm saying. Okay. All right. Let's have a look. Okay. What are we doing now?
The design and prototype, engineering.
Okay,
stuff.
this new idea. So how many R&D people do they have? Just 2?
我大部分是。一个就是设想的方案，那可以一个下午就可以马上整合出。
Production department. Okay, so now we're going. All right, so you're going to put that in there, and then that will go in here. Okay, good. All right, and so now they're charging, and then you can like that. Okay, so just. All right. Then we pull it out. It's hard to pull it out. Put 1, and then 2. And then we've got to have Bluetooth turn on, right?
Yes.
So push the button there. So you've got blue, and now we can put it in here. Of course, you've got the other connection that can work too. Oh, it's the wrong way around. Let me, sir, let me try.
Okay.
Let me
Let me show you.
We're going to pair it with the phone, right? So that's.
Power off. Power off.
Power off. Yep.
Yes. 这个橙色的是主机，我们一般来讲是先开主机，按5秒，它会有一
That's
个
on.
红蓝双闪。OK。
Okay. So
Pair it.
Okay. Scan. All right. Let's have a look.
对，有些我就发个电，就是发一个比较简单的电子版，用流肯定要。
E1, huh?
Yes.
And then that one? Same, huh? We've got to pair them separately.
我们这个开机它就自动会配合。
Oh, they're both paired now. Okay, so then we're going to put them on.
它有啊，我刚才说有这个报告，然后我们就报告这些检测报告。
Okay. Right channel. Yeah, but they're not manufacturing them today. They're still on prototyping design stage, so they're going to ramp up production soon. What we are making today is security cameras. So let's have a look at some of them making. So just putting together, we'll go around this side here and look at, so now they're just putting together the security camera and basically the plastics on the outside. So this is interesting. Is this? So, what's this here?
这个是镜头，应该是镜头吧？
Is that the lens?
Yes, lens.
Is that the camera? Yeah, is that the camera lens? Because it's got the top on it.
Camera cam, yeah.
Ah, okay. And that's the small battery on the back.
这个是那个 speaker 吧？
Ah, okay. Oh wow. Okay. Good. Excellent. So the camera lens, and then that one there. Interesting.
With a specific line.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
So this is the requirement.
Right. So over here we've got cameras that are being tested.
Oh, this is a test.
So does this product go into the other one? Oh, that's assembled over here.
Yeah.
And then here, and
It's
then
the
they're testing
unfinished
it.
part.
Yes, correct.
After this test, it will go to the assembly part.
Yes.
这里测完了之后，做好了之后，又要投到那个，又要测一次。
Yeah.
They will also do the testing after the complete product.
Correct. Yes. So this is very interesting, the lens that go into the security camera. Yeah. And then, wow, testing again. So it's actually, they point it towards there and then they do the test. Yeah, I like that. So, around here, yeah, that one's good. So that's pointed towards the end.
She said this is quite time consuming.
Yes.
You want to test it one by one.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, because you got to make sure that the lens can focus. Yeah, understandable. Yeah, I've been to another factory where they do this in a much. They've got a testing area just in one place. Yeah. Just a question. Why is she putting glue around the lens? Is that to stop it from moving?
Oh, yes.
Like after it was focused, then they glue to stop it moving. Is that correct?
打胶就是防止它，因为我们定好胶之后呢，在打胶上会有这个在晃动，然后这样整个就是放的时候就不会好胶了。
So that's the good one, and that's the bad one.
这些是就是测试过的是好的，这些是有问题的。Oh, that's a bad one. Those are the worst problem.
会写，
Oh, they're the bad ones up here. Okay.
会贴一个这个纸。
There were stick here.
So what's the problem with this one?
这个是哪里？
这个就是颜色的 color
Color.
is on.
Oh.
就是有点偏红。
So is that a lens problem or the circuit problem?
这要拿去维修，发现才能发现问题。
It still need to be for the testing. It's just find the problem, and the follow step is to figure out what's wrong with this.
So
肯定是镜头的问题。
often is it the lens or the actual circuit?
A lens.
Maybe that's wrong.
Oh. So therefore the lens from the other supplier.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
镜头是专门做镜头的，那个工厂是专门做镜头，没有做其他的。
That's the problem, isn't it? Because you can't test the receiving materials, a lens, until you put it under the circuit. You know what I mean? You can't, ideally, any receiving inspection you want to test straight away before you start even working on it. But you have to put it on the circuit and then you build it up and then suddenly, it doesn't work.
你一定要装上去才能测。
对。
然后有可能是这个镜头本来是好的，你装上去之后呢，可能在装的时候或者就是可能会装的时候打螺丝松啊，或者怎么样，碰到损伤了也有可能。就是说这个原因就蛮多的，这个因为比较精密了，这就涉及到这个比较精密，尤其是这个 IC， 这个 IC 的话你没贴好，也可能会有问题。这下面有90多个角，90多个pin就非常的麻烦。
好的，哇。
所以你们对这个就是进货的这个供应商，对他们有质检的这个过程？比如说他专门给你提供这个镜头的这个。
应该是有的，有，因为这是我们那个就是另外一个跟这个项目人一直在做的事情，还有包括采购啊，都会要求他们要提供一些，首先规格书是肯定要的嘛，然后我们有把它的样品拿过来，会去实验室做很多检测，什么雾盐啊，叫什么？等下让我想一下，
没关系，
什么盐雾检测啊，这些东西，反正很多了，高低温那是肯定要高低温啊，然后盐雾测试啊，还有整动测试啊。
但是这个成品就一定要组装好，然后再去检测一下。
对，肯定是要组装好成品才检测，因为你这个散件组去检测是没有意义的。
哦，对。They have the basic testing procedure for the incoming materials.
Yes.
But it has to be assembled before.
Exactly. So you can really find out. What's interesting is that that's a motor, so that turns it around to focus, correct?
这个好像是可以转的。
And then she's focusing it, and then you're putting glue on it. So you can.
You need to settle down the focus.
Right, and then so therefore the final product, it cannot be moved. Is that right?
我想一下，他是说调焦距是吧？
就是说最后出来的这个东西，这个玩意儿就不能转了，是吧？
不是，因为它这个本来它这个转出来转就是是这样子转的话，它其实转不动了，它已经转不动了。因为它这个镜头是属于定焦镜
There's
头。
a motor in there that can move it around, doesn't it?
No, not really.
It doesn't move.
It doesn't move.
Oh, you'd have to manually move it if you want to refocus.
就是比如说你要定焦的话，你要人工的去强行转它，还是怎么样？
你看我看，你们都是还能往里
Interesting.
有个螺丝在这里，就是要把这个螺丝松了，可以转，稍微的转一点，但是不能说像那个 zoom 一样的，没有那个 zoom 转得很厉害啊，什么缩进来伸出去。
It's not for motion.
Oh, it's not.
But there are, if you lose this up, you will could slightly motion.
Change.
And 对 that's right.
Oh, yeah. No,
This one is different from the auto.
Understand.
Camera can.
No, it's just seeing when she focuses on that over there, it's the software and the digital that is making adjustment, not the lens. Do you know what I mean? So I was just
You mean it's automatic?
yeah, because she's not doing any manual adjustments. The actual software is making an adjustment.
但是它对那个。就是它是自动在调整，还是你人工在动？它不用动是吗？
只要这个对那边的纸板这里不清楚了，我们才看。
好像我们这个距离是根据它这个镜头的，就是它这个镜头是有一个有多，比如说2.8 mm， 它本来是有一段距离，就是说在这段距离它是最清楚的，我们就设在这段距离，然后它这边调的就是说意思，如果这个镜头来的时候本来就调的焦距有点差的话，我们就会用手工去稍微的动它一下，一般是不用动它的。
This distance is fixed.
Understand.
And from here to there.
Correct.
That's best. It should be the clearest distance for this camera can.
Yes.
But if there was slightly problem,
Yes.
it will maybe move it manually.
Oh, manually move.
Fix it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. But I haven't seen her move it yet. So that's why
It means that's all good.
it's all good. Okay. All right. Very interesting. We're not buying.
就是这个意思，就是非安全出口，不是安全出口。
就是说这个是收货的仓吗
In or out?
收货的仓也是，放成品，我们一般有时候会放在这一边。
Warehouse. I don't. Okay. Generally, Sam. So just look at me with the camera. So generally, when you look around the warehouse, this seems to be very good. Number one, everything is in their specific area. There's nothing on the ground.
Import material storage.
Yes, so I think that's good. I like it how it's very clean. Everything is packed away. Not too high. You've got space between the top box and the ceiling. So, and I like these separation areas. They're very, very important. Looks like it's part of a Bluetooth, part of a Bluetooth speaker. So, do we know what this is for?
请问一下，这个是
This box is open. This,
那个是一个小配件，就是我们蓝牙音箱上的一个配件。就是怎么讲呢？那个喇叭网吧，应该说是喇叭网。
Yeah. And this,
The cover for
I know,
Hi-Fi
for Bluetooth. And this is rubbish, yeah?
这些是
Oh, no, this is
packaging.
packaging. Okay, so we don't want to show anyone in the camera, but I can see it, but I don't want the camera to see it. Now we know what they're making. So that's what we were making
Alright.
over there. So you can see it. Oh, like that. Oh, very interesting. Ah. Oh, very interesting. Okay. Is this rubbish?
No, it's new.
So,
It's new.
wait a minute.
Track.
This is good in here like this.
阿全，这个是好的吗？这个是好的吗？
Yeah, what's that doing here?
这是好的还是坏的？
这是剩下来的。
剩下来的。
对对对，前面那几批
哦，这
用过
还能，用吗？这个
可以用啊。
可以用了是吧？
对
好的。
就说很早之前再出过一批货，然后上来几个嘛，然后就。
There's some left behind.
Ah, so this is
Used before.
rubbish.
But it's good to be used.
Pardon?
It's okay to be
Not
used.
rubbish.
It's okay to
Ah,
be
it
used.
still can be
Yes,
used.
still can be used, right?
Okay, it just, the box, like,
Really massive unit.
is that got, it's a mess. It should be
Yes,
clean.
Massive.
Can we have a copy? Can we have one? Can we take one? We'll take one later. We'll, have,
但是要一个盒子可以。
we'll get a copy later. But
这个我们还有多吗？这个盒子，
有。
那就给，那你拿一个呗。
okay, we'll take one. We'll take one for later. All right. Yeah, got to be very clear what boxes are where. Okay. So that's important. Okay. Very good. Testing equipment. Okay. All right. Next.
之后还有什么别的地方吗？就是基本所有的是吧？
对。
What is much about it?
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
我们没有什么住宿部啊，什么喷油锅那些我们都没有。我就想的比较。
Speaker, we know. Okay. What's all this doing here? Like, this is all loose.
哎，阿全，这一档子是什么？好像是那个
Let's
贴
get some.
纸吧？
It seems.
看一下。
Is this sort of extra leftover?
这个是剩下的吗？就是
这是车间拿去用，然后就说坏了不良品，然后退回来就放在这里，
哦
不良品。
处理这。
哦，不良品的。
哦，there's a mark. It's called as just useless shit.
Ah.
Rubbish.
Okay.
不良品的
Rubbish.
退回给供应商的。
Okay.
It's
clear. It's
It's
rubbish.
a product that do not pass their testing and need to be, sent back to the import
Yes.
material
Yes.
supplier.
Correct. Yes. It's always a challenge. Okay. All right. Okay, so just an idea. So whenever assembly is going on, it's very important that these doors be closed. You don't want any dust coming in from outside into the assembly area. Very critical.
我们平时这个门关不关？
Yeah,
要关下班关。
yeah.
那个我知道。
Doesn't matter, but I'll just give you some ideas. All right? Okay, that's it. That finishes our quick inspection of the it's assembly and security camera in this factory. Probably more of a workshop, but still it's okay. And they get a lot of their material, especially the insides, from other suppliers, and then they put them together here. So that's all right. Thank you. Have a